the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them.
This is a UTG M4 RIS Airsoft gun. The FPS on this thing is 390 with .2 BBs. Highly recommended. It has the best performance with those. Includes battery, charger, plastic grip, and a 300 round high cap magazine. Back iron sight is adjustable for windage and elevation. Again, windage up here, elevation right here. Okay, battery is a 8.4 volt battery. Full metal body and gearbox. The only thing that is not metal is the stock, which is a very strong APC plastic. You can get this gun at airsplat.com for $275. Overall thoughts on the gun. Okay, this can shoot really far, and by the way, scope and bipod do not come with this gun. But really good performance, I'm telling you people right now. You all stay classy and please subscribe. Thank you.